You make me go loco. Loco. You make me go loco.
Welcome back to the channel, folks. Just a wee video I'm doing on an update to the van, and it's quite a good update. It's changed the look of it, and I don't know what the title of this video would be, but I think it might be possibly I'm sick of it, which I'm not sick of the van. It's down to the roads. The roads are absolutely terrible, and as you know, I've got alloys, 19-inch alloys with very low profiles, which probably wasn't the best idea. But since the last few months I've had them on again, I've basically another tyre gone. So I've got the alloys 3 years ago. This, if I get a new tyre for that, that'll be tyre number 10. It's been on the alloys, so I've came to the conclusion I've took the alloys off. I put the steel wheels back on, which I had the Yokohama ATs on it, and they're pretty new and quite dear tyres, so I don't want to get rid of them. So I made the jump, and I've got myself some Swamper alloys, and I got them done the other day. Took them up to one of my pals, he's got a tyre garage as well, so it's quite good. Went up there and gave him a wee help, got like an apprentice again. We got the tyres off the all steel wheels, and we got them on the new wheels, and it is looking really nice. I was a bit dubious, I didn't know how it was going to look, because I'm quite used to the standard alloys, but aye, it's turned out looking really nice. So I'm going to give you a wee glimpse, and a wee glimpse of other bits and pieces I'll probably put on the video as well, just odds and ends. People have been asking me about things as well in the van, so hopefully I can fit them in the video. So keep tuned and hopefully enjoy. Folks, this is the bench sheet. I've been asked a few times. It's added quite a lot of space out of the van with this. The seat's gone forward, and as you've probably seen the last bit, it's basically a piano panel hinge and two basically gate type hinges, big heavy duty ones, and it works quite well. It folds out, folds up, and it slots in. And you've got the slotted bar where it slots in, holds it in place, and it is really sturdy. So it's a great idea. And I've also, up on the roof, I've got there's a top part that goes on here, and it's the foam, and it's done in the carpet as well. So that's basically just up here in the mattress, that's where it stores, and that gives it a wee bit of padding. You can fit two people in there. As I say, you've got the table in the middle, then you've got the two-seater here for the bed. So when you get the table in the middle, you can have 4 people sitting at it. For a small van, you can do wonders. So I've had a few questions to see how it was done, and I thought I'd better do a wee video just to show how it's done, give some people some ideas. So it's really good. And we've got the LED lights that run along the bottom here, so for added feature at night. So that was another wee added feature. It's been in the van for a wee back at the start, but just with some questions I've been getting asked. Another wee addition I made to the van, which was just last week there. We're going up the wee dark roads in Scotland, up to the mountains. It's quite dark, and the headlights on the van, they're not the greatest. I'll need to upgrade the lamps, I think. But we've went and got this big LED floodlight, which you'll see here, right on the front. And that's about 100 odd watt LED, so that's going to be a good addition to the van. Looking forward to getting up the wee roads and see what sort of the brightness we get out of that. But aye, That should hopefully help in the dark mornings or the late nights. So that was another wee addition. Folks, another wee addition I made to the van as well, just to make the engine cover underneath the bonnet. Made it a wee bit better, the engine as well, deepened the sound in a wee bit. It was the engine cover for the top of the engine. Now these cost, I was looking on eBay and they were about £150 for the Volkswagen, which then I found out it's the Volkswagen engine in this, the 2 litre turbo diesel, is the same in the Skoda and the Seat. So they've actually got all the same, I think it's the same engine, maybe slightly tweaked, but it's the same engine cover, it fits them all. So I managed to get a Skoda one for £50 and got the badge for the top of it. So that's been a good addition as well. It cleans up the engine bay as well, so I'll put that on and let you see that as well. So aye, it's been looking good. As I say, changed the look of it. I say we've went a sort of more swamper route this time with the wheels and that, and it's actually made a big difference as well. See, driving in that, it's a lot quieter as well with the bigger tyres and that on it, and it will help out, especially where I'm going, the terrain and that. I say, so that's been a big difference. Made a wee addition here as well with the stickers for the YouTube channel as well. So aye, but it's been good. I say, I've loved working on this van. I've done pretty much everything I can do to it. Keep trying to find other things I can do to it, but it's been a great project to work on and loving it now. Use it every weekend, going away to the campsites or up the mountains or that. But I dare say there'll be some few more things to add to it. But I just wanted to get another wee video out because I felt it's been a while. Keep you updated on the van build and that. So hopefully you keep tuned and hit the subscribe button and I'll keep you up to date.